Okay, today is November 3rd. I'm trying to get a hold of Brian Steger. Brian Steger is now the head director of Department of Consumer Affairs. Him back in the day told me I was going to get my license in the year 2000, have tape recordings, which was up on www.mattrat.tv. Let's see if we can get a hold of Brian Steger concerning this pankration regulation they're doing right now without going through legislature, saying that it is full contact. So right now, let's put a call through to Brian Steger and see if I can get an answer from him. I'm dialing the number right now.
Department of Consumer Affairs, Executive Office is Earl.
Yeah, Brian Steger, please.
Who's calling, please?
This is Kaja.
One moment, please.
Let's see if Brian Steger picks it up.
Hi, this is Dave.
Yeah, Dave Thornton.
Speaking.
Yeah, Dave, this is Kaja. Just put a call on the Brian Steger, but they connected me to you.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm trying to get an answer on this pankration ruling right now.
What pankration ruling are you referring to?
Well, the State Athletic Commission, on the website of CAMO, they said they got the exclusive control over pankration, which is not a full contact sport. And I'm trying to do an event, and I wondered if I have to go through the State Athletic Commission now, since I never had to in the past.
When are you going to hold your event?
Pardon me?
When is your event?
My event's going to be this Saturday.
Well, if you were going to go through the commission, you're way too late to do that in any event. You would have had to submitted, whatever paperwork, a request for that particular date, probably 30 days ago.
Well, yeah.
I think what we had, somebody had told you in a prior email is that, we're going to review the material on the pankration probably Thursday of this week, and we'll have some kind of decision out on, a decision on pankration at that time. And until we get that video and whatever other material we need, I can't give you an answer right now.
Yeah, because on mattrat.tv, I have videos of all the karate tournaments, all the pankration, of all the sports jiu-jitsu, which you guys have seen. Pankration's been going along in California for years with no need of no regulation, as well as sport jiu-jitsu, sports as karate, kajikembo, all those sports which are similar, but now all of a sudden you want to regulate pankration.
Well, things move forward. They don't usually typically move backwards unless you're talking about the stock market. So, what may have been okay 10 years ago may not be okay today. So that's why we want to take a look at this video. I don't want to make any prejudgments on it.
Yeah, because there's videos up right now. You go on mattrat.tv, you can see, you can see all the pankration tournaments, and you've been to the pankration tournaments. I just don't know how, without going through legislature. Back in 2000, the state was trying to regulate judo and jiu-jitsu, saying it was full contact, which it was not. Now, all of a sudden, the state is saying pankration is full contact. I don't know how you can get full contact when there's no head strikes and there's controlled strikes, which is not full contact. Now, you can't get them for submission because judo and jiu-jitsu is the same submission as pankration, and you can't get them for strikes because Kyokushinkai, Shotokan, Kajikembo, every single style of martial arts uses the same strikes. So I just really don't understand how possibly that you can all of a sudden say that pankration is full contact which you've known for years, and you gave it authority by Armando Garcia back in the day that it is not full contact.
Well, Greg, Armando Garcia isn't here any longer, and as I've already said before, I'm not going to make any conclusions until we have this meeting on Thursday. And it's just some of the staff and Anita Scurry and James Maynard, our lawyers, we're going to review the matter and make some kind of definitive decision at that time. And I can't give you an answer right now.
Okay, so
I have not seen the videos, and I'm not the, I don't make these in a bubble. I try to, make sure that other people are involved so that we have, the full input from not only lawyers but experts in the field. And, if it's not full contact, if it's something less than that, then we'll move forward accordingly. But,
yeah, because that's my main concern, because all of a sudden there's cease and desist letters going out to Pankration, but they're not going out to sports jiu-jitsu, or they're not going out to karate, or they're not going to no one else, which is selective enforcement. This is what happened in the past when they were.
Look at karate. I mean, karate it may be contact, but it's not full contact.
Well, Pankration is the same thing.
If you had full contact in karate with some of these events.
Yeah, you look at the video. If you look at the videos, if you look at the videos on my tape, I show the Kyokushin, I show the karate, and it's the same power, the same control as Pankration. I even got the rules of Pankration showing that it's not full contact, saying that they're controlled strikes. So, it's just really, really strange how all of a sudden, since they're now going to be doing amateur with this camel, that they are going to regulate Pankration, which they can't. I mean, technically, you know me, I know that you have to go through Office of Administrative Law to make the declaring that it is full contact, that it hasn't been, even when I went to court and the judge says that you've been seeing this sport for years, all of a sudden you can't just start regulating it. You can't start harassing these promoters at this time. So I guess you're going to make a declaring on Thursday, and which I like to glad to hear it. But you need somebody that knows the sport, has been around the sport, and has done these type of tournaments for years. I've done karate, I've done all types of tournaments. So, and also.
All right. Why don't you send me an email on Thursday? Between now and then, it's not going to do any good to call or email me on this. But let's send me an email Thursday around noonish, and I should have an answer for you.
Okay, that's great. Thanks a lot, Dave Thornton. I appreciate that, and I'll give you a call on Thursday to see what your ruling is on Pankration.
Okay, all right.
Thank you.
Thanks.